Master risk management effectively to safeguard your capital.
90% of traders usually lose money. Not because they don't know trading, but because they don't know risk. Wrong trades without stop loss incur losses, and your entire account is gone. How do smart traders survive in markets?
Risk 1 to 2% of your trading capital.
This way, you will remain in the game. Always make sure to use a stop-loss order. Avoid overtrading. It leads to mistakes. It's about protecting your account. Trade smart and stay ahead of 90% of others. Start trading smart with XtremeMarkets.